Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Absolue Premium Bx Sunscreen Broad Spectrum Cream in SPF 15 by Lancome. This is not a cheap product, but it is a real huge favorite online. I enjoy it. It's very nice on the skin, and the fact that it has SPF is even better because you can wear it during the day. If you want to wear a retin-A, well, not a retin-A, but I use hyaluronic acid or something of the like, you want to use a sunscreen as well. So this is great that it has a sunscreen in it. So the Absolue Premium Bx replenishing and rejuvenating cream contains a patented Pro-Xylane, which helps restore essential moisture in the skin's surface, replenishing the skin to improve fitness and luminosity. I didn't even know that was a word. The look is visibly rejuvenated, and the results, people have seen their skin smoother and more luminous, feels more moisturized, it looks brighter, and with fine lines, you can see within 4 weeks that they're visibly reduced. I don't know how much I believe in that hype. I'm more of a preventative care person than a trying to reverse. But like I said, lots of people really love this product. Like I said, I don't hate it. I love it. I think it's great. It works great on my skin. But then again, I don't have fine lines, and I don't have lines under my eyes or anything like that. So I don't really have to worry about that. Basically, Lancome says that it's really important to have a good skincare regimen. So they say to start with a serum, which would be like this Genifique, the Advanced Genifique. That's a serum. They also say to tone your skin. I think toning your skin's ridiculous. I don't think you need to tone your skin. I don't know why you would need to tone your skin. I see that it has no value whatsoever. I don't know what that step even is. It's a step that was made up by somebody who was trying to sell something. The next step they say is eye cream. So after your serum sets, sweep eye cream above and below the eyes from the outer to the inner corner, patting remaining product until it's absorbed by your skin. Always use your ring finger to put on eye cream, because that is the weakest finger amongst all your fingers, especially on if you're right-handed, that's the weakest finger, and you won't stretch the skin. So that's another tip. So after you use your eye cream, you put on your day cream, which would be this Absolute Premium. And because this one has SPF in it, it's for daytime use. So you put a light layer of the day cream across your face and neck to hydrate skin and protect from harmful UV rays. And then following your day cream, it says to put a night cream on. I don't know why you would put a night cream on during the day. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. But I'm not trying to sell lots of makeup. I'm just talking frankly about products. So I love the Lancome brand. I think it's fantastic. This Absolute Premium Bx with sunscreen is a really nicely moisturizing texture. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. It gets stuck under my nails, which is the worst. And like I said, you don't need a ton. Like, use your ring finger to pat in, because honestly, it's so weak, it's not going to pull on skin. And it smells absolutely lovely. I have no idea what the smell is, but it smells heavenly. So if you're allergic to perfumes, this is not your jam. If you have sensitive skin, it doesn't work. That doesn't do well with fragrance. I would say avoid this. But other than that, I'd give this 4 out of 5. It's a little, like I said, it's a little expensive, but it's worth it. And like I always say, you do not have to take my word for it. Try it yourself and see if you like it. And thanks so much for watching.